the core thing that has to be right in our machines is that the quality of the machines has to be perfect. Product coming off has to be thoroughly inspected and it has to be right. So if defective product gets in the market, it's a huge issue for our customers, which means it's a huge issue for us. There's a risk of customers dying, and there's a risk of them having drastic side effects. In medical device manufacturing, the end-of-line inspection would have been done by operators. Operators inherently make mistakes, so they can let products out into the market that haven't been manually inspected properly. With the advances in vision technology over the years, it's now got to the stage where it's very easy to put in high-end vision inspection systems. Cognex helps us meet our customers' needs by two things primarily. One is defect detection. Second would be OCR, OCV, batch traceability. The Cognex vision inspection systems are very reliable and they pick up a very, very high rate of defects. Defect detection can typically be inspected to 99.9% reliability. So we've been working with Cognex since the early 2000s. Cognex products are renowned for being very high quality, very reliable, and that is one of the reasons that we use them.
I do get excited by coming into work to work on new projects. We've started using Cognex AI solutions, especially the deep learning side, for challenging applications that normally we wouldn't be able to give a reliable solution using standard vision tools. We've noticed now with Cognex deep learning tools that they can pick up on these defects that previously we wouldn't be able to detect using standard vision tools. When we work with Cognex, we see that they're innovating machine vision. They seem to be always coming out with something new, and it's always exciting. It's opening up new opportunities for us. We find them easy to use. We just find them very reliable, and they're one of the industry leaders.
One of our core principles in the company is innovation, and we work closely with Cognex. We constantly see that they're coming out with new types of products that are at the forefront of cutting edge. Quality of the product coming off the line and going out to the customer has been increased drastically by all the additional checks and the automation improvements that have been put in place. Cognex is widely used in the medical device manufacturing industry. A lot of our customers would standardize on Cognex systems. Our own in-house engineers, they work very closely with the Cognex team. They're all trained up on Cognex systems. But the advantage of using an industry standard is that when we install our equipment, our customers typically may have some internal engineers that are also familiar with the Cognex software. When I think of Cognex, I think of a company that's forward-thinking and that comes up with innovative solutions. Collaborative, experts, cutting edge, and forward-thinking.